So you're taking a guitar course with Bob and I, and it's come to the point where we want you to send in a clip of you playing guitar while listening to the metronome click privately for yourself. So what I wanted to do is show you how to do this with a program called OBS Studio. Let's download the program. OBS stands for Open Broadcaster Software. Just grab the version that's appropriate for your system. I'm running Windows, so I get the Windows version. So I want you to look down here and you'll see the word sources. So here you see video capture device. If you don't see it here, I want you to go to the plus and just look for video capture device, and then right click it, look at the properties, and make sure you select the correct device for this particular source. Adding in the correct microphone is the exact same. So you have your video capture device, which is your webcam, and then you have to add in the audio input. And input just means what you say to the mic into the computer. And just think of it that way. There is a difference between input and output, and we don't want to mix them up. If you don't see audio input here, just go down to the plus again, plus audio input capture, which is again what you say to the computer. Click that. Yep, just click OK. Right click, look at the properties, and make sure that you select your good mic, which for me is the Yeti X, and not the webcam mic, which is this right here, the Logitech Stream Cam. And that is that. I'm gonna just hide this and I'm gonna open up my browser. Like, we're gonna provide you with a YouTube link to a metronome. I hit play and I hear the metronome clicks, but you're not hearing them because it's coming into my headset and not my speakers. Now you simply go back to OBS, make sure that your video capture is on, you grab your guitar and you play. And of course, guys, never ever forget to hit the record button. So that in OBS Studio is down here under the controls section. You'll see it from the second item from the top. Right now it says stop recording for me because I'm recording, but for you it'll say start recording. So make sure you don't do what I've done many times. After you're done, you come back and then you're gonna hit stop recording and you will have a recorded file on your computer ready to share. there you go. I sound more measured than I would if I were on my own, but you're not hearing the click. You're happy, I'm happy. That's what it's all about. So I hope that this helps you guys record your version of Fireflies that we need for next week. And I hope you find this super easy. If you have any questions about how to make sure that the click is not coming through your speakers, just just let me know, and I'll be happy to answer any questions. All right, take care, and I will see you soon. We'll chat soon. We got big things coming on the horizon as well, pretty cool announcements, so stay tuned, and we'll be playing together soon. Take care.